Unlock cinematic video quality for your live streams by turning your Canon EOS 2000d into a powerful webcam with the Elgato Cam Link 4K In Vmix. First, ensure your Canon EOS 2000d is ready, power it on, and navigate to the menu settings. You'll need to set the camera to its movie mode, typically found on the mode dial or within the menu under shooting settings. Once in movie mode, locate the HDMI settings. You want to ensure the clean HDMI output is enabled, which usually means turning off any on-screen display information from appearing in the video feed. Now, using a mini HDMI to standard HDMI cable, connect the mini HDMI into your Canon EOS 2000d and the standard HDMI into the HDMI input port on your Elgato Cam Link 4K. With the HDMI connected, plug the Elgato Cam Link 4K directly into an available USB 30 port on your computer. Make sure it's a blue USB 30 port for optimal performance. Finally, open Vmix, click on Add Input, select Camera, and from the drop-down list, choose your Elgato Cam Link 4K device. You should immediately see your Canon EOS 2000d's high-quality video feed appear in Vmix, ready for your live production.